What's the meaning of caravanserai? Caravanserai. Caravanserai.
Caravanserai. Caravanserai. A caravanserai is a type of inn that was commonly found along trading routes in the Middle East, Central Asia, and North Africa. These inns provided lodging, food, and other necessities for caravans of merchants and their animals traveling long distances. The word caravanserai comes from the Persian words caravan, meaning group of travelers, and sarai, meaning palace or house. Over time, caravanserais became important social and cultural centers, and many were built with beautiful architecture and design elements showcasing the art and culture of their respective regions.